Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to find an apartment for rent on Zillow. Finding an apartment can sometimes feel overwhelming, but I'll make it super easy to follow along. We'll start by entering your city, zip code, or neighborhood so you can see all the available listings in your area. Then, I'll show you how to use filters to narrow down your search based on price, number of bedrooms, bathrooms, and other important features. I'll also share some tips to quickly spot good listings and avoid wasting time on places that aren't right for you. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to search on Zillow efficiently and find an apartment that fits your needs. So, let's get started and dive right into finding your next home. First thing we want to do is go to our Zillow dashboard. This is where all the apartment listings start, so it's the perfect place to begin your search. Next, if you want, you can enter a specific address, neighborhood, city, or zip code. This helps narrow down your search so you can focus on the exact area where you want to live. But I recommend going a step further. Click on the Rent tab at the top of the screen. Here, you can add more details about what you're looking for, like the number of bedrooms, bathrooms, or any special features. This makes your search much more precise and ensures you see listings that really match what you want in an apartment. After that, a new screen will appear. As you can see here, this is where we can select the area where we want our apartment to be. You can zoom in on the map or type in a specific neighborhood to make it more precise. Next, we can add a price range. This is super helpful so that all the listings you see fit your budget and you don't waste time looking at places that are too expensive. Also, make sure the filter is set to for rent so that you only see apartments that are currently available. If you want, you can also add the number of bedrooms and bathrooms you're looking for, so the results match your exact needs. One important thing not to forget is the property type. Make sure you select apartment so that your search only shows apartment listings and not houses or other property types. Once you find a home you like, click on it. You'll be taken to a page with detailed information about the place photos, amenities, rent details, and more. From there, you can contact the agent or the seller directly if you're interested. This makes it easy to ask questions, schedule a tour, or start the rental process right away. And that's it! Now you know how to find an apartment for rent on Zillow step by step. Remember, taking your time to apply the right filters like location, price, number of bedrooms, and property type can make your search much faster and more effective. Don't forget to check out the details of each listing carefully so you know exactly what you're getting before reaching out. And once you find a place you like, contacting the agent or seller directly is the easiest way to get all the information you need and maybe even schedule a tour. With these tips, searching for your next apartment should be simple and stress-free. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.